Hi guys, let's talk about the project window. All the assets you downloaded precedently, go to the project window inside directories. You must select the assets you need for your project on dragging and dropping them inside the scene view. So now we are in the Unity interface. If you remember, in the past video, we downloaded some files, uh, particularly those the Ninja files. And for example, if I need some items like disperse, okay, I can take it from this directory and put it in the scene view. If I needed another one, I can even put another one here, and you can see them inside the hierarchy window. The first one is called item 4 and the second one is called item 4, let's say point 1. So if I want, I can even change the name. I can simply call this one, for example, purse 1, and the second one I can give the name purse 2. So finally, the hierarchy windows help you to view all the game objects of the scene. So you can choose the name you want for the asset that you put inside the scene view. You can even select the object in the scene, and you can even in the hierarchy windows organize game object by creating folder. For example, if I've got many purses, what I can do, I can put those two those two purses, sorry, inside a directory. So for that, you have to click on the main camera or anywhere here actually, and you select create empty, and you can rename this game object by purses, and so you can select both of those purses and put them here, sorry, inside. Okay, so now it will be your hierarchy is a little bit much more organized. For example, all the purses are in the same directory.